Hey, welcome to another edition of Faulkner Fixes All. And today, as promised, we got some wheels. And we have not greased them yet. And they're kind of lumpy. Yeah, there we go. There's that one. No grease yet. Okay, so how this worked was, there's a set screw, and comes off. That comes off. This little washer here comes off. Set screw. Okay, so I haven't greased these yet, and I haven't fully welded. These are just tacked in. That's welded in, that middle part, for stability. I had to do that. This whole axle would be shaking around. And these are just tacked in. And these rods are just tacked in. Everything's just tacked in because what's going to happen is when I get the rods going across, that's going to change everything. So from doing these tables a long time, I figured out that you never really weld everything up until it's all in place and square. And right now, it looks pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad. That is not bad that way. And this way. Man, it's tough to do stuff with one hand. And this way, yeah, that's not too bad. It's off a little bit. I don't think anybody's going to worry about that. And this way, not too bad. And that way, dead on, because that's the first one I tacked, was this one. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So how this works is, and you've seen it, no weld here, nice machine surface. Nice radius corner. These will get welded. That'll get welded. This is already welded. This washer goes on. You put some grease on here. Not yet though. Because the reason is, if I come off of here with another piece to make the table square, you know, the bottom rung of it, I'll have to weld right here. And I'll have to move this wheel off to weld and grind. And I don't want to heat up the grease and have that catch on fire. So for now, we're just going to put it back together, and no problem, right? So as promised, that's the update. Get on there. Okay. The hardest part was getting this weld without breaking through and still retaining the machine surface. That was kind of difficult. So we'll tighten those back up. Yeah, I mean, we've got some hop here. Not too bad. You know, it's not, well, it's really hard to do so with one hand. Did I say that already? Here we go. Okay, so that's not bad. There's no grease on that at all. Yeah, as you can see, a little squeaky. So this keeps everything supported, and since you're not really ever taking these wheels off but to slide them over, this was a nice thing to have. It's looking pretty good, you know. Okay, so that's basically it. Gonna come off of here and go along here to the next part. Haven't really decided if there's going to be a third wheel over here that you lift it up with. Just kind of figuring out as I go. And like I say, this is just tacked right now because I want to get it all together before I put the whammy on it. Whammy! Okay, that's it for now. And remember, only channel worth watching.